Dental emergency conditions can include anything from a broken tooth to wisdom tooth pain and dental abscesses. Depending on how urgently you need to see a dentist, you can visit an emergency dentist, a private dentist or an NHS dentist, although NHS appointments are rarely available at short notice. Private examinations tend to start from £45 and upwards, higher in central urban areas, while NHS examinations start at £18.80. Many private dentists offer financing options and dental discount plans for the treatments needed to address the emergency. Registering for a dentist in England is different from GPs. You don't have to register, and even if you do, you are free to visit a new dentist at any time. To find out more, check out www.smartblogger.co.uk.